What's up, y'all? It's your boy SS Inferno, man. I'm back at y'all with another video. So today, as y'all can see in the background, the Trailblazer is right there. And as you can see, the suspension is a little low. So that was the issue on why it was in the shop, why it was gone so long. My air suspension went out, my compressor went out. So today, I'm going to let y'all know what I did and how I rigged it up, how we set it up, so I don't have to deal with the air compressor going out no more. So stay tuned. Here we go.
Jeff, turn that beat down!
So we're here for this air suspension video. But before I get into that, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like this video really quick, and share it everywhere. So we finna get into this real quick. So let me show y'all. This is like super low right now. Like I can barely get my head up under here. So this is the old compressor right here. As you can see, it is really dirty, really rusted. This is my old compressor we took out of here. Factory, just been in there for 120,000 miles. Excuse my trunk too. There's a lot of stuff back here. I don't know what these is. What the speakers? JBL. I don't know. I think it's JL Audio's in here though, but who knows? A lunchbox with probably nothing in it. But as you can see, it is really low. The issue I'm having right now is I have a slow leak in my left airbag. So that's why it's sitting so low right now. But I'm gonna show y'all how we rigged it up so I don't have to worry about, you know, going to get another compressor. I can adjust it as high as I want, adjust it as low as I want, and just keep it like that. So back here, I have me a Slime air pump that I got from AutoZone. I think it was like 20 bucks. So over here in this compartment is where you usually have the switch for the air compressor. So you flick it on, flick it off. So what we did was actually here, I'm able to hook the air compressor up. Well, not the air compressor, the air pump. I'm able to hook this up to here and it raises up the truck. I gotta get to adjust it high or low, however I want. So until I get my left airbag replaced, I'm gonna have a slow leak. So it takes about probably 5-6 days for the air to leak out, and it looks like this. So believe it or not, this is not as low as it get. This boy is like, it'd be on the ground almost, but this is not as low as it get. It's about the range. So I'm trying to get this video out the way because I've been promising y'all. So what I'm gonna do is right now, I'm gonna fire the truck up, let y'all hear it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I go about putting this air in here, how we bypass the air compressor. So I got it fired up right now. So what I'm gonna show y'all is the slime pump. So I take this pump and I take this port, plug it into man, I need to clean my truck out. It's horrible in here. Crazy. Don't mind the Burger King, man. Look, it's family truck, all right? You know what I'm saying? Family stuff. So I plug the auxiliary port in there, and it runs to the back. Then I grab my pump. I actually hook this up to here. Turn on the pump. So if you ever get to the point where you say, you know what, that's too much air in here, I can always go back over here, take something sharp, put it in here, release the air, and there you have it. So as of now, I do not have to deal with these air suspension problems. I was so upset that the compressor went out, and it's a common issue for Trailblazers for the air suspension to go out the compressor. So we bypassed it, hooked up some airlines, got it like that. So now I don't have to worry about it going out anymore. I can adjust it how I want to adjust it. And once I get my left airbag fixed, I do not have to worry about putting air in it, period, at all. I can just set it and it'll stay like it is. So there you have it, man. I hope this video helped y'all with a lot of stuff. I'm not the mechanic. I'm not sure how he rigged it up. Excuse me, I'm not sure how he did it, but that's how he had my Trailblazer sitting. So now I do not have to worry about the air suspension. And Inferno is sitting out front, which is I'm gonna put it in the garage, because as you can see, it's about to rain and I'm not gonna be driving in the rain. So therefore, I'm gonna be in a Trailblazer now, and I got some laundry to do. So, you know, got some errands to run, laundry to do, you know, a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that down. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget, y'all, we got YouTuber Speed Fest coming up on Saturday, July 21st. So Tall got car reviews, demonology, we got wheel motivation, we got Stunner Reese, we got 5.0 Stain Gang, Ace Rolling, we got Street Muscle Network, your boy SS Inferno. It's gonna be epic, man. So I'm trying my best, man, to get a tune, because right now I do not have a tune on the Camaro and it's dumping fuel. So I'm trying my best to get out there, man, in time, but I'm not sure if y'all know, but I just got it out for a drive shaft issue. I just had the drive shaft replaced. So I'm trying to make the deadline, but it ain't looking good for me. But you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna be out there to support, and it is raining now. So I gotta end this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my video, man. Share it, like it, and SS Inferno's out of here, baby.